So why did you join these rebels?
We joined the rebels because of suppression under Amin. We thought there's some future.
You thought?
A better one.
But there is. Here we are.
Yeah, you know, sometimes these rebel movements are used by leaders for their personal benefits. These rebel movements. Mwe baba kozesanga bwe omuganda bwagamba nti madaala. Otegede. Mumanyi wali abantu balala bwe batuuka ku muyembe. N'omuyamba n'atuuka eri ku muyembe. Mwe abasigala bwansi awo tulusa abeera bya kubasuulira miyembe.
Yes.
N'olabanga ye ali kubasuulira ebikuta bye. Musigala nga mulya biki?
Bikuta.
Yeah, what the pills. Y'omuyembe n'alya n'achewinga
N'ebisigo.
N'ebisigo nga bigwa. So I think that's the scenario. Some of us have been forgotten. That's why we were forced later on to join FDC.